DMSS app, so quite popular app, can enhance your security management efficiency. You can watch real-time surveillance videos and play them back anytime via Wi-Fi cellular networks. If a device alarm is triggered, DMSS will immediately push an instant notification to you. Real-time live view video playback, instant alarm notifications, device sharing, alarm hub. So quite nice app. However, you need to know this is a Chinese app, so just you can use it at your risk, basically. But yeah, here it is. But this company Hangzhou, they built much of other apps, and then yeah, you can just install it. And if you have devices, physical devices from this app, then you can just use this app to connect to them. So yeah. And then yeah, you can just go and create your account from here. So yeah, that's basically how you get started with the app.